Hello and welcome to another video. Today we are taking a look at the Sonos Move Portable Speaker. So today I will be doing an unboxing and sound test of the Sonos Move Portable Speaker in order to give you all an idea of its performance. So without wasting much time, let's begin. So as you can see, here is the box. Very nice packaging we have here. Let me just move it over here. Yep, so let me just open this up quickly. There we go. Let me just push it over to this side. Here we go. Okay. Alright, there is a pack here. I don't know what this contains. Let me open it up and see. Okay, you have your quick start guide and an instruction manual. Let me put that aside. That's all that's here. Let me see what else we have here. There we go. Let me take this out. And here we go. Voila. Whoa, it's quite heavy. It's got some weight to it. Let me just pull that aside and see what else we have in here. Okay, there is another pack here. Okay, nothing else here in the box. Let me just put that aside and see what we have in here. It's a quite interesting one. I don't know what's in here. Oh, okay. Let me just put this down. There we go. So in this pack, you have your charging cradle, and then there is a plug which is connected to the charging cradle. You cannot detach the cable, so you have to bear that in mind. Okay, let me just see if I can take it out. Oh, there we go. So to charge up the Sonos Move, you just place it on top of it and plug this to your power socket, and you're good to go. Is there anything else here? Okay, nothing else here. Let me just put that down as well and put this aside. Okay, back to the speaker itself. Let me just open this up. Voila, here we go. Well, it's quite bigger than I thought it was going to be. Wow, it's got some weight to it. Let me just take it out. Here we go. Well, taking a look at its overall design, you'll notice that the top part is made of plastic, while the side is made of this large metal grille that goes all around from the front to the sides. I think this helps with better sound dispersion. The bottom part and the base is made of a thick rubbery material to help with better grip and also for shock resistance as well. As Sonos pointed out, this is quite shock resistant and is also splash proof as well, so it can withstand splashes of water but not full submersion, so you have to bear that in mind. This is a smart speaker, so there is an integrated voice control, so you can stream music via Wi-Fi. It's also got Bluetooth as well. It's got an internal rechargeable battery which promises up to 10 hours of playtime. For button placements, first of all, you have touch controls at the top of the speaker. First, you have your play and pause button, and then you have your volume rocker buttons. There is the microphone button to access the voice assistant and the auto true play feature that enables the speaker to automatically tune the sound quality to match your surroundings. And then at the back, you've got some other buttons as well. You've got your power button, and then you have your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth toggle button, and lastly there is a join button which you use to connect your speaker when you are setting it up. And then below that you have a USB-C port. Yes, you can charge these up with a USB-C compatible adapter or power bank, which is really good, so you don't have to solely rely on the power plug. Well, I like the way there is an opening at the back for you to hold the speaker, so you can insert your fingers and grip it and carry it around. It's time for the sound test, so please put on your headphones as this is going to be a binaural recording. So let's test the Sonos Move and see how it performs.
make you rich. I am waiting for your mind to glitch and decide it's time to change. You don't love me, but I make you switch. You don't love me. You don't love me.
Growing number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
My initial impressions about the sound quality from the Sonos Move is that from around 0 to about 50 to 60% volume, you'll notice that there is lots of emphasis on bass. The treble is really crisp and clear, and it's quite centered, and the vocals are very direct. You really hear them clearly. In terms of vocal reproduction, I think these are one of the clearest I've heard so far. I'll be doing further tests anyway, but that's what I'm noticing from the first impressions. The sound stage is not as wide as I expected it to be, but you are getting lots of bass. You get very punchy and slightly boosted bass, especially when you are listening at low listening volumes. You'll notice that there is lots of emphasis on bass, but once you crank it up to around 70-80% volume, it pretty loses much bass than I expected it to be. I think the bass on the Sonos Move will be comparable to the likes of the Onyx Studio 5. I think this has more bass than the JBL Extreme 2. I'll do a sound comparison very soon, so make sure you stay tuned for that. In terms of loudness, the Sonos Move gets pretty loud. I think it's slightly louder than the JBL Extreme 2. You also have to take note, at max volume there is no distortion. It sounds pretty clean and clear. So for moderate listening levels, this does a very good job. The vocals are really centered and direct, that's what I noticed, and I like the way the bass and the vocals are separated. You hear them crisp and clear. I just wish it had more bass at max volumes. So if you're going to be cranking this always above 80% volume, you'll notice that you lose a lot of bass. So you have to bear that in mind. First impressions, it sounds pretty good. Like I said, I'll be doing further sound tests and comparisons. I'll be comparing the Sonos Move later on to the likes of the JBL Extreme 2 and the Onyx Studio 5. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Let me know down in the comment section below. Is there any sound comparisons you'd like to see with the Sonos Move? Let me know. As always, feel free to check out other comparisons and reviews on this channel. Thanks so much for watching. I am Ezekielo, and I'll talk to you all in the next video. Adios.